Hey there, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to walk through some of my kids' favorite BRIO accessories, including the collapsing bridge, dual suspension bridges, and a train. You're not going to want to miss this. Let's get into it. I'm diving into the BRIO Deluxe Wooden Railway Set. It's an 87-piece adventure that's perfect for train enthusiasts of all ages. My kids and I have spent almost 2 years with this set, and trust me, it's one of my kids' favorite wooden train sets. Right out of the box, the build quality blew me away. These pieces are solid and built to last. They're perfect for kids who love to play hard. It's also a great value for money, with so much packed into this set, from passenger and freight trains to cranes, bridges, and 2 different stations. My kids absolutely love this set. BRIO really nailed the design here. It's intuitive and quick to set up, even for those little hands. And because it's compatible with other wooden track brands, you can easily expand your setup or integrate pieces you already have. What's even better is that this set isn't just a one fixed layout. You can take it apart and use your imagination to build something entirely new every single time. It's a toy that grows with you and your creativity, and it's so much fun for both kids and parents. And when it's time to clean up, the deluxe set comes with this green soft storage bin to store all the pieces. The BRIO Deluxe Wooden Railway Set checks all the boxes. It's durable, versatile, and packed with value. Whether it's for your kids, your grandkids, or you're gifting to another family, this set is an absolute winner. Plus, with its educational benefits and endless creative possibilities, it's more than just a toy. It's an investment in fun and learning. If your kids love BRIO wooden trains, you need to add this to their collection. The collapsing bridge is by far one of my kids' favorite toys. Hooks up to their wooden track, so you have a track on the bottom, and then you have a track that goes across. What happens when a train is going across the collapsing bridge? Here's a closer view of the collapsing bridge. You get these 2 hills with it, so you hook it up to the bridge like this, and so you can put your trains, when they go, it's obviously compatible with your other BRIO wooden track, so you can connect those and have, a longer elevated track. Red button is what collapses the bridge. Move your train out of the way, and then bring up the bridges, and you're gonna squeeze tightly. Hear that little lock in place. Love the fact that they can be creative with train tracks that go on the bottom and send their trains through. They're constantly collapsing the bridges, and every time a train comes across, they're constantly collapsing the bridge, and they really have a lot of fun with this. Meet the BRIO Double Suspension Bridge. It's the longest bridge in the entire BRIO World railway system. This 5-piece set includes 2 beautifully designed bridges and 3 wooden track pieces, making it an epic addition to any BRIO train set. Not only is it fun, but it's also developmentally beneficial. The bridge encourages creative play while helping kids explore and interact with their environment. Compatible with all BRIO World Railway toys, the possibilities for expansion are endless. Made with responsibly sourced materials and rigorously safety tested, this toy is a win for your child and the planet. Ready to take your BRIO World to new heights? Add the double suspension bridge to your collection today. My kids love their wooden trains. This BRIO Streamline Train is one of their favorites. It hooks up a little differently. It's not magnetic like some of the other steam trains. And then it comes with this little passenger car. They love this. They love putting it on their wooden tracks. And I love the bright colors. So you get the engine itself, the coal car, and the passenger car. And these 2 magnetize, but the steam engine hooks onto that coal car like this, and it runs on your wooden train track. And this is the BRIO train. I love how cool it looks. A lot of steam trains have they all look similar, and this one looks just different. The color itself, this beautiful red, just really pops. My kids love this, and I love the fact that it comes with 3 different parts of the train. It's not just the engine you're buying the engine, coal car, and passenger car. And there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more information on any of those toys, check out the description below. The links are all there. And be sure to like this video, subscribe so you never miss another review, and let me know which BRIO accessory is your favorite. My favorite, I don't know if it's the accessory, but the entire BRIO Deluxe Railway Set. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you next time.